Hi, Matt Watson here from CarWow. So I'm sitting in a BMW M3 competition. Next to me is a BMW M3 competition. Why am I doing this? Well, I'm doing this because this one is the rear-wheel drive version. That one is the all-wheel drive version, but it has a switchable all-wheel drive system, so you can send all the power to the rear if you want. But you won't be doing that in a drag race. You're going to be going four-wheel drive mode. Thankfully, it's not raining, so we've got a dry track, and it's going to be interesting to see what the difference is in the launch times of these two cars. How much difference does all-wheel drive give you over the standing quarter mile compared to the rear-wheel drive version? So both these cars have a 3-litre straight six twin turbo with 510 horsepower and 650 newton meters of torque. They both have 8-speed automatic gearboxes with launch control, and they're torque converter automatic gearboxes as well. Other than the four-wheel drive system, there are some other differences between these two cars, and I'm not talking about the colours. The green is better, by the way, isn't it? Definitely. Let me know in the comments below which colour you prefer. Anyhow, the difference is price. So you have to pay extra for the four-wheel drive one. It's £77,000, whereas this one is £74,000. Also, the four-wheel drive system adds 50 kilograms of extra weight. So that weighs in at 1,780 kilos, whereas this is 1,730 kilos. Now, before we get on with this race, please make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on. That way you won't miss a single upload. Let's get on with this race.
Buying a new car? Then head to CarWow and my team will help you find your next car at a fair price. CarWow, your one-stop car buying comparison site.
You know, before we start the race, I know it seems stupid because they're the same car, but shall we just do a sound check anyway, just for the hell of it? That's me doing a sound check. Actually, my car's in quiet mode. Let's put it into full sport mode. That's better. Oh yeah, see, that's a bit more raucous. Did you notice the switch? Quiet. Louder. On the inside anyway. Go on, let's rev up that one. Does that sound more four-wheel drivey?
Getting a sense of deja vu, really.
Exactly what he said.
3, 2, 1.
No, I'm struggling with traction, this is. Oh, it's absolutely destroyed me. This will go quicker. I know this will go quicker, it just didn't launch very well. He got a great launch. So I'm just going to drive him down here, accelerate and brake, and get some heat into the tyres.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, good launch. I reacted really well, but he just got ahead of me. That was a good one from me. Did I jump that a little bit? Felt a bit early. Do you know what? I got a really good launch there. It went off so well. This thing launches in second gear for this rear drive version. How about in the four-wheel drive?
Now this is old school, launches in first, but even with you not having to make that extra gear change, I reckon I made more ground on you in the first 50 metres than at any other point. This thing is ballistic.
It's nuts, isn't it? Even though I shot off before you, who'd have thought, but then you just kind of took off. I went past. Turns out that I did jump, so we're going to do it again. Shame, because I got a really good launch. I'm just so eager because I know I need to just get it perfect in order to have any chance against that.
3, 2, 1.
Oh. He's got me. That was an alright launch. Little bit of slip, but it manages it really well, and it still did a decent enough time. Did I jump that time? I don't think so.
No, I think we've had a bad launch from you, then a sneaky launch from you, and I think that was a good, honest comparison with both cars, and I guess this is quicker.
I think he's right. That is quicker over the standing quarter mile. Definitely. So then what exactly happened? Well, the xDrive M3 won, completing the standing quarter mile in 11.3 seconds, while the rear drive M3 took 11.6 seconds. Now we have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour with the cars in automatic mode and comfort mode for everything. Right, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Took ages to kick down, that one kicked down quicker. This is lighter, this car, by about 50 kilos. Can I beat him to the halfway mark? I'm slowly reeling him in, but I'm going to come past him now. Didn't beat him to the halfway, but look. So that's the effect of less powertrain loss, because you haven't got the four-wheel drive system and less weight. So your gearbox seemed to kick down quicker than this one.
Maybe it's just used to dealing with more stuff because it's got four-wheel drive to worry about. I don't know, maybe it was just a slight difference in throttle position or something. Couldn't hold it very long, did I?
Basically, all I got there was words, some more words, and then there's some extra words too. No actual real decision. Anyway, let's try something else. Take the gearbox out of the equation. We're going to have another rolling race, this time though, in sporty setting and manual mode, from 50 miles an hour though. You ready? 3, 2, 1, go. He took off a bit quicker, but now once again, see if I can beat him. No, I didn't beat him to the half mile, but now at higher speeds, 140, I'm coming past. Oh, that's it, I've hit the limiter. So, once again, you took off quicker. I don't know whether it's just a slightly newer car, or I don't know what it is really, but I eventually come past you because of less weight and less drivetrain losses, I guess.
Yeah, you do. Both times at about 140 miles an hour.
Yeah, that's exactly what I said, isn't it? You don't need me, you can just have it. Don't get nasty in the comments going, we'd rather that, Matt, because you're annoying. Alright? Be blocked. No, actually I don't block anyone. I like all the rude comments, I find them funny. No, I don't. They hurt me. Oh, I don't know. Just write whatever. It's all engagement. Finally, we're going to have a brake test from 100 miles an hour when we reach line for emergency stop. That car is a bit heavier, but it's on carbon ceramics. Will they make a difference? I know they do on track when you need consistent braking performance. Maybe they'll make a difference in a one-off brake test as well. We're going to find out. Here comes the line. They didn't. They didn't make any difference. Was that a win by 50 kilos, pretty much? Do you think?
I cannot believe that. We were so dead level until the last 2 meters or something. That was so close.
It was so close. I hope you'll enjoy the video.